got mangoes from our farm and it's been a non-stop mango party at home. Mango shakes, mango desserts, mango for breakfast, mango after dinner, basically living that golden pulpy life. So obviously I'm making a mango shake for breakfast. Because if a fruit wants to be dessert and breakfast, who am I to say no? Also, can we talk about how luxury does a full 180 as you age? In my 20s, luxury meant swiping card for branded clothes. Now, it's sipping a mango shake made from homegrown mangoes, wearing clothes I made on a peaceful Sunday. Funny how quiet joy replaced retail therapy, and I'm not mad about it.
Could you get up soon? I get so cold in the other room. Here I am, honey, half awake. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay.
I have been watching the final season of The Handmaid's Tale, the show that's equal parts traumatic and powerful. What hits the hardest is in today's world, one woman's dystopia is another woman's reality. A Saudi American poet Majda Gama once said she couldn't sleep after watching the show. She said, "For my friends, it's a cautionary tale, but for me, it felt like my life." And that just stayed with me. It's heartbreaking. Let's come back to our reality where we have freedom to do what we want. So, deep gratitude. Now back to business. I'm using this 2 meters crisp white poplin fabric to make a gathered skirt that screams minimalist summer vibes and will go with everything. Take a screenshot if you want and follow this template to cut your fabric. First, stitch the sides of both main fabric and the lining fabric. And then sew basting stitches, aka the longest stitch length on your machine, on both main fabric and the lining fabric.
Morning star, clear and true. Your honesty could pierce my heart right through. Plans are paper, I'm afraid. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay.
Now insert the lining fabric into the main fabric as they belong to each other and then sew it together. After that, stitch the belt as shown.
Hey Pepper, give us a shake in the newborn grass. You're sure to find a snake. Don't let the serpent change your pace. Get yourself moving and you'll be.
Alright, this is where we are at. The skirt looks cute, the gathers are giving drama, but the waistband still a bit chaotic. So now fold the waistband edge by 1 centimeter and tuck in all those messy little gathers like you're shoving clutter under the bed before guests arrive. Then sew it down like you've got your life together. But if you're aiming for that professional finish, pin it down and do a rough hand stitch to hold everything in place and then sew it from the front side. Also make sure to leave 1.5 inches gap when you sew so that you can slide in your elastic later. That way the visible stitches from the front look clean and neat. Personally, I don't trust my stitches when I sew from the back, hence I do this. Now remove all those hand sewn stitches. Now that we are almost at the finish line, I decided it's perfect time for a well-deserved lunch break. And just like that, Bangalore weather did a full-on personality flip. At this point, I no longer feel bad about my mood swings. I'm just syncing with the weather. Anyway, let's make some avocado toast because I got the avocado on discount. And honestly, that's my idea of peak adulthood. The kind of person who gets dopamine hit from grocery deals.
Dreamweaver that won't let me alone, and it turns my heart into a heavy stone. Look at the maker in the face. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. Get yourself moving. Get yourself moving. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new.
Now take an elastic that's 1 inch shorter than your waist size because we like a little snatch without the struggle, and insert it into the waistband.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you.
Now sew the elastic ends together using a zigzag stitch. Close up the little gap you left for the elastic, and finally it's time for the last step. That is, double fold the edge of the skirt and the lining and sew it down.
Sailing over pavement with our two elbows. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same.
After seeing that stunning sunset from our balcony, I decided to romanticize my life by making lasagna for dinner. Before marriage, I was all, why should I cook for a man? And now, here I am spending hours making his favorite dish for love.
Dame nor a lady, not in the way she walks, the way she talks, or the way she loves me. Just look at me, I'm like a monkey in a coconut tree. You know I'm overjoyed, 'cause boy oh boy, she's my gal. She asks me when I say let's go out dancing. Your place or mine, don't waste my time with romancing. She's wild, she's funny, doesn't care about clothes or money. She just cares for me, she's all I need, she's my gal. Ain't nothing she would not do for me. She never plays it coy, my bundle of joy. She's the one